beautiful thing, how we call that. Pwede mo makuha yung, you can bring the real object in class, like if your studies about the anatomy, about the parts of the body. Bring to class the intestine and the big intestine. You can't bring, you can't do that. So, ulo, pwede mo makuha yung isang part na to. And of course, the most modern is just bring along the video. The most modern is the technology-based projected things. Yes. Pero teacher! Pero yung teacher, nagtatong-tatong bag niya. Baba lahat! Except teachers. Okay. Wala siya makuha sa teacher. Wala siya makuha sa teacher! Kita lang kasama sila ng mga nilupawan tayo ng karabaw. Kasi from highway, ilagay sa karabaw, parosa yung mga gamit. And then, yung karabaw tayo, pagkarabaw tayo. Yung red, PhD, except if the school does not have how do you call that program? Because we are buying it.
Yeah,
in license, yes, license. And it's very expensive.
Naku, gustong-gusto ko ito. Actually, sa amin yata, the version was Nita and Tony na, hindi na Pepe and Pilar. I was looking for a picture in the internet, wala makita. Ito lang makita ko. But those older than me, I think use this. Yung sa amin, Manila Book Company na, yung una red, tapos yun, look at baby. Oh, look Nita, come Tony, look at baby. Yan, babasahin mo. Tapos, here is father, come father, come mother, look at baby, look, C-O-C. Diba? Sa karipela, English yun, pero yung costume, ganyan pa rin. May nakakimola pa rin si mother. Diba? So, ganyan tayo, tawag, diba? So, meaning, you don't care, because hindi mo naman ninasin yun eh. Take it from article, what excerpted from, hindi pa siya. So, sabi ko, sige, so yun ang nangyari. By the time mag-second year ako, nag-decide na ako, ayaw ko ng fishery. Kasi, pupunta kami sa Liganes, sumusuo kami sa mga ayaw ko ng ako. Diba? Di ba may pelikula si Maricel Soriano? About that time din. Ganun panahon yung hinubot ka sa langit. Di ba yan ang mga dialogue niya? Yung ayaw ko ng maputi. Parang sinanipan ako ni Maricel Soriano. Tapos na ako. Hindi ayaw ko na mag-fisheries. Sabi niya, wala kang choice. Sabi niya, kung ayaw mo na mag-fisheries, bumalik ka na sa Antique. Sabi ko, okay, bumalik ko sa Antique. Pero may catch dun sa scholarship contract. Pag ikaw